Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This session focuses on the purpose of a syllabus in language teaching. Well, I hope and expect by the end of this session you would have some insights into what kind of purposes can be related to a syllabus when it comes to language teaching. Well, my dear students, the syllabus ensures a fair and impartial understanding between the instructor and the students. Secondly, it reduces or it minimizes the confusion regarding anything that is to be carried out in the classroom, and the teacher and the learners both are clear on that. Thirdly, in relation to the policies related to that course, it gives clarity to both the teacher as well as to the learners. The syllabus also ensures setting clear expectations of materials to be learned. So it would provide a set of expectations with reference to the kind of materials that are to be used. It also ensures what kind of behavior is to be demonstrated in the classroom and the efforts on the students' behalf to be put into the course. The syllabus further ensures providing a roadmap of the course. It provides how a course is to be completed by going through certain lessons, certain activities, using certain materials, etc. So it shows a kind of organization or direction of the movement in the whole course. It ensures relying the instructor's teaching philosophy to the students. So it is one means of transmitting or sharing the philosophy of the teacher regarding teaching and learning with the students. And it also provides a marketing angle of the course, such as that students may choose early in the course whether they want to take that subject material or not. So, worldwide, the university websites, for example, they would show different kind of language courses with all the syllabus available on the websites. And the learners can look at those syllabuses and they would be able to decide whether they are interested in that kind of stuff or not. Many generalized items of a syllabus can be amplified in a specific curriculum to maximize efficient learning by clarifying students' understanding of specified materials such as grading policy, grading rubric, late work policy, locations, times, etc. So, thus syllabus provides clarity on all these aspects. Also, it provides other contact information for instructor and teaching assistant, such as the phone number or the email of the instructor or his or her assistant, materials that are required, books that are recommended for reading, assigned reading books, calculators or other equipment or lab vouchers, etc. So they all become a part of the presentation of the syllabus, and thus, the whole roadmap for teaching and learning the course is provided to the students. Some outside resources for subject material assistance are also provided. For example, which extracurricular books, tutor, locations or resource centers can be available. This information can be a part of a syllabus. Important dates of the course, such as of exams, can be mentioned. Tips for the succeeding in that particular course can also be given in this syllabus, which means how to exploit the materials in the classroom to learn in a better way. Necessary prerequisites or co-requisites to take a current course, are also provided in a syllabus. A syllabus will often contain a reading list of relevant books and of articles as well. So, it serves various purposes. Traditionally, the term syllabus has been used to refer to the form in which linguistic content is specified in a course or in a method. However, I would say inevitably the term has been more closely associated with the methods that are product-centered method rather than those that are process-centered methods. So, apart from these traditional ways of using the term syllabus, it is used in a more non-conservative way as well. Syllabuses and syllabus principles of audiolingualism, structural, situational and notional functional methods, as well as in ESP approaches to language programs that are designed, they can be readily identified with this traditional type. The syllabus underlying the situational and audiolingual method consists of a list of grammatical items and constructions that are to be associated with various vocabulary items, and the learners are expected to learn these through that course. As far as national functional syllabus is concerned, Well, these syllabuses specify the communicative content of a course in terms of its functions, notions, topics, grammar, and vocabulary. In fact, one of the essential components of any language teaching program is syllabus, which specifies what content is to be taught, or how that particular content is to be taught in a particular context to a particular group in the classroom.